Understanding Idioms, Burning Spear. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of English idioms with the phrase, burning spear. Idioms can add color to our language and often carry meanings that aren't immediately obvious. So, if you've encountered this phrase and wondered what it's all about, you're in the right place. An idiom is a phrase or an expression that has a figurative meaning different from the literal meaning of the words. Idioms are a key part of language learning because they give us insight into the culture and history of the language. The phrase, burning spear, is no exception, and we'll explore its significance in the next section. The phrase, burning spear, is not a common idiom in English, and it could have multiple interpretations depending on the context. It might be used to describe a person who is passionate or intensely dedicated to a cause, with the spear symbolizing action or aggression, and the burning part symbolizing passion. Alternatively, it could be a literal reference or a historical one. Let's delve deeper into its uses. Historically, a burning spear could refer to an actual weapon used in battle, set ablaze to cause more damage or intimidate enemies. In a more modern context, it could be a reference to the Kenyan political party known as the Burning Spear movement, or even to the famous Jamaican reggae artist whose stage name is Burning Spear. Now, let's see how you could use this phrase in a sentence. If you're using it figuratively, you might say, Martin Luther King Jr. was a burning spear for civil rights, tirelessly advocating for equality. If referring to the artist, you could say, the concert by Burning Spear was an unforgettable experience. And that wraps up our exploration of the phrase, burning spear. Remember, idioms are a gateway to understanding the deeper cultural nuances of a language. I hope this video has shed some light on this intriguing phrase for you. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.